Latest modification to the tracer arrived today. Nano glass Speedo Angels motorcycle dashboard screen protector. Apparently this is flexible glass, anti-scratch, tailored to fit. Comes with a fitting kit and fitting instructions here. Came from the UK actually, fairly fast as well. So saw this first on the Missing and Flyer. He applied it to his one of his bike. Maybe he's got it on all of his bikes. So I'm going to put this on here on the tracer windscreen. First I've got to clean it, follow the instructions to clean it, and in addition I've got my photography blower Giotto. I think this is Giotto's. Yeah, little blower thing here to blow the dust off. I'll clean that and I'll apply it and I'll show you the end result. The kit comes with 2 screen protectors and a packet of installation tools right here. So that's going to have like a plastic spreader thing you use to get the bubbles out, and also some kind of a felt cloth and whatever else is needed. I'll open it up in a second and show you. So there's the cloth. They give you a cloth and a piece of plastic there, and then some wet wipes. And then the bottom part here, this one here is, I guess it's got a sticky surface. You peel this off and you use this to pick up any dust that's on the screen. So that'd be interesting. The instructions say, you can read it there yourself. Before cleaning your dashboard, take a protector and place it in the center of the screen to kind of show you where it's going to go. Then clean the screen using the enclosed suede cloth. Use the blue rectangular dust removal sheet. Blue rectangular dust removal sheet. I don't see one of them there, so God knows what that's talking about. To get into the edges and corners. Peel the red sticker number 1 across until an area of the protector is exposed large enough to start applying the protector. And then after you've got it put down, start applying the exposed area of the protector and slowly work your way over to the other side. And essentially, basically, you put that on and then you peel off the top protector. And there's the finished product. I got to come at an angle to show you. I don't know if there's a bit of dust underneath or not. I can see a little spot right there. It looks like a little tiny spot. So with that little tiny spot, I just put that front film back onto the screen protector and try squeegeeing it out. I'm going to just try pushing it out like this for a while and then see what happens. If it doesn't come out, well, too bad. Done. So whatever was there is gone, and if you see anything right now, it's just dust on top of it. Let's see, let's turn on the bike and see. Yeah, no different than before. It's just got a protector on top of it now. So anyway, that's the installation of the Speedo Angels screen protector on the tracer.